Tesla starts hiring for semi-factory expansion. Tesla posted several job listings on the careers section of its website that will be responsible for the Gigafactory Nevada expansion, and subsequently the production ramp-up for the Class 8 semi-truck. No fewer than 10 job postings have been listed online, including one for a senior architect who will work on large-scale ground-up engineering procurement construction projects, as highlighted in the job description. Tesla is also looking for a structural modeling lead, a factory design engineering leader, a lead plumbing engineer, a BIM manager and virtual design coordinator, as well as suitable professionals for the following roles. Staff IoT network engineer, infrastructure network engineering, electrical construction project management, infrastructure programs, semi, CAE/CFD thermal engineer, battery engineering, semi, CAE analysis engineer, structures durability, semi, mechanical design engineer, structural design, semi. Some of the positions like the factory design engineering leader are located in Sparks, Nevada, while others such as the CAE/CFD thermal engineer are based in Fremont, California. There are also some openings in Austin, Texas. According to the company's head of engineering Dan Priestley, who was a guest on Jay Leno's Garage alongside design boss Franz von Holzhausen, Tesla has built roughly 60 to 70 semi-trucks so far, with volume production expected to increase that number exponentially and make the battery-powered rig a competitor for mass-market diesel trucks. In January, the EV marque announced a $3.6 billion investment in its Nevada manufacturing facility that would result in 2 new factories, one building semis in high volumes and one for making 4,680 type cylindrical battery cells with an annual capacity of 100 gigawatt-hours. However, work on the semi-assembly facility is yet to be in full swing 9 months after the investment announcement. But with this new hiring spree, it looks like the Elon Musk-led company is getting serious about ramping up construction. Last year, the outspoken CEO said that the Semi would reach an annual production of 50,000 units starting in 2024. But he later tweaked his estimate by saying Tesla doesn't expect to start higher volume manufacturing of the Class 8 rig before late 2024, citing battery supply constraints. Source: reposted and summarized from Yulia Nistrin at Inside EVS.